If you're using Google Classroom, you can set up a theme or you can actually personalize your banner up top. So this is where all students are going to see your class code. And it's also where your whole group Google Meet is often going to be posted. So for fun, if you want to change it and you want to add in anything just like you have in your interactive classroom, you create the picture, the image, and then you can add it in. So to do that, I have set up a free template below. You just need to make a copy of it. Here's an example of one that I have done. This is a Christmas one as well. So all that you would need to do is add in a background, the same way that we've added in a background to our previous tutorials on how to make an interactive classroom. You'll notice that the banner is a different width, so you want to keep that in mind when you are creating the banner. This is why I've added a template, because the sizing is a little bit off, and it's just so that it's going to allow what you put into the picture. So if you have the Bitmoji extension, you can add in a picture of yourself if you want to, or you can just leave it blank or even add in furniture like I have shown in my previous one. So whatever you want to add into it, again, it's the same thing with adding images. You might have to remove a background, where you're going to find them, how you want to attribute the background that you are using to the creator. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to download it, but I download mine as a JPEG. Because when I go back into my classroom, I am going to upload a photo. So if you download it as anything else, you're not going to be able to have it work properly. So I then upload the picture that I've picked, and as you can see, it's going to ask you to make the sizing different. So the reason I have picked the banner size I have in the template is because it will allow for us to take most, if not all, of the banner that you've made. So once you've got it sorted out, it will let me click, there we go. You put select class theme and it'll put it up there. So just be mindful, as you can see, it does put a black kind of layer over top of the picture that you create, and you are going to have the wording on this side of it. So I try to create everything as much as I can over here in detail that I want for them to see, and avoid putting too much over on this side.